I feel like everybody loves Pok Choi. Today I want to grow Pok Choi directly sow in the garden. I have prepared soil, cow manure, compost, topsoil mixed with my garden soil. That's all the Pok Choi seeds I have here. But this will be enough for these 2 rows. I used to be very frugal with my seeds. Nowadays, I'm a little bit more generous than before. It's still much cheaper to grow your own bok choy. You buy a package of seeds. You can get plenty of vegetables to eat. Then you go to store to buy bok choy. Okay, I just use all the seeds. However, yeah, I can't wait for seeds to germinate. Yes, I can wait. Can't wait, just say I'm so excited. This is Chinese Pok Choi. Today is day 7. They are germinated pretty well. Look here. You can definitely transplant them for those areas too crowded. Later on, they grow about 3 inches tall. You can transplant them to the area without Pok Choi, like the middle here. I can transplant them, make more plants if I want to eat them when they are bigger. Today is February the 14th. It has been 7 days, so Pok Choi germinates very well. Today is February 22nd. Look at the Pok Choi. They are pretty all germinated very well. Today is February the 25th. Look at the Pok Choi. Pok Choi is doing great. Definitely need some water. The weather gets a little hot now. Hope they still have a chance to grow bigger. February 28th, Pok Choi gets bigger now. March the 4th, this is a Pok Choi instead of Bok Choy. Very soon, they are ready to eat harvest. March the 8th, look at the Pok Choi. It's grown big. They are ready for me to harvest. They look great. When I get a chance, I will harvest some and cook them. It's March 12th. I am ready to harvest my Pok Choi. I want to cook my Pok Choi with a tofu. Have you tried tofu before? Spinach tofu, Pok Choi tofu. Look at the Pok Choi. Grow beautifully. They grow very fast these few days. I will just thin them by using scissors and cut the crowded area. Since they are so tender right now, it's a very good idea to make a tofu Pok Choi soup. So fresh. I love this type of bird. Hoo hoo, hoo hoo. When I was little, I often hear this type of bird sing. I feel so peaceful and calm when I hear this type of bird making noise. Hoo hoo, hoo hoo. Okay, I sent some of them out. It's still a little bit crowded here. So I just send them out and then for salad. I cut this Pok Choi right above the ground, so the root is still there. If it continue produce a baby Pok Choi, that's fine. If not, still fine. See, this is how I cut. This should be enough to stir fry with tofu. There are still a lot, as you can see. Fresh Pok Choi from my backyard. I'm beginning to eat more ginger because ginger is supposed to help with the circulation. I have not been eating ginger for a while. I just started eating ginger. This is a lot. I will just put half. And here's garlic. Ginger smells good. Smells almost like lemongrass. Garlic smells good too. Wow, this is a black wooden ear. I just boiled them in the water. So they are done now. So I will add them into my tofu. Have you tried black ear before? Okay, I will stir fry ginger, garlic, and a little carrots, and a black wooden ear, and tofu, and my Pok Choi. Here's my silky tofu. It's soft. They are medium soft and firm, and sometimes I like medium. Most time I like soft for a soupy type. So the garlic, ginger, and carrots there. So fry the base. Whoops. Put the stem first. But smells good with the ginger, garlic. Wooden ear. I am on the low sodium diet, so I will just a little bit of soy sauce. Give some flavor to it. A little bit of water. And tofu. Yippee. Ooh, yummy.
Yes, it does. It actually does it. Nothing even? Almost. I'll save apples for. Okay.
Delicious. This is my baby Pok Choi with a wooden ear, tofu,
Right, give me this. Give me this. Give me this.
a little bit of carrots,
Okay, I got the one.
ginger, garlic, soy sauce. I will sprinkle some sesame oil.
No, I can read that. I
Then
can read that.
it's ready to eat.
Good job, guys.
Delicious to eat with the white
Peace
rice
out.
or brown
My time
rice.
is over, so.
Sesame oil smells so awesome. Mix the sesame oil into the dish. Don't break tofu. Crunchy. Very good. Very yummy. Best dish ever. I planted this Pok Choi seeds on February 7, and today is March 12. So it took only about 33 days from sowing the seeds to harvest. That's one of the reasons I really enjoy growing Pok Choi. It grows quickly and rewards you with fresh vegetables in a short amount of time. Watching these plants grow from tiny seeds into healthy leafy vegetables is always very satisfying. At this stage, you can start harvesting some of them now as baby greens, but you can also leave a few plants in the garden to grow bigger if you prefer larger leaves. I like to harvest a few at a time so the rest of the plants can continue growing and producing. Pok choi is a very nutritious vegetable and it is also very versatile in cooking. You can stir fry it, add it to soups, cook it with noodles, or simply saute it with garlic. The flavor of freshly harvested vegetables from the garden is always much better than store-bought ones. Another reason I like growing Pok Choi is that it doesn't take much space in the garden. Look, this is tiny little place I grow Pok Choi. Even a small garden bed can grow quite a few plants, and they grow well during the cool season. It's a very rewarding crop, especially for gardeners who want quick harvest. Every time I harvest vegetables like this from my backyard, I feel calm and happy. Growing your own food is not only about harvesting vegetables, but also about enjoying the process and appreciating what nature gives to us. Do you grow Pok Choi in your garden? And how do you like to cook it? I would love to hear your favorite way to prepare it in the comments. It's very rewarding to grow your own vegetables. You may grow a variety of vegetables so you can harvest different vegetables in a different days to alternate them so you don't eat the same type of vegetables. Like what I have here, I have a watermelon radish, then I have Pok Choi, then I have a radish over there, then I have spinach, then I have crown daisy, then lettuce, then Swiss chard, then kale, then garlic, then asparagus lettuce, and so on the other side of asparagus lettuce. It is very awesome to grow your own food and be able to harvest some from your own garden to table. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.